How to clean microwave, how to clean microwave oven, how to clean my microwave. Welcome to this channel, Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. My name is Florence at Straka.com. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean microwave oven, deep cleaning inside and out to make your microwave look pretty in your kitchen. So let's dive right in. Before we start, I have a very warm water here that I'm going to use. Cleaning agent I'm going to use is going to be awesome. I really love this awesome. It cleans so fast, so clean. Everything looks so pure and easy and simple to use. So I'm going to use awesome, and then I'm going to use sponge, and also I'm using gloves, so I'm going to put my gloves on. So we are going to be deep cleaning and that in our microwave. You can see how filthy that is, and we're gonna get all that clean. Look at that. I'm gonna make sure we have everything clean neatly, and the awesome is gonna help us do that nicely. And then you can see down there all that is filthy. I'm gonna get all that clean, and then we open this, go inside, and you can see how that is. So first thing first, I'm gonna take the tenner out of here. I'm gonna clean that as well and take this out as well. So I'm going to spray inside so that this can dissolve quickly in here. And then I'm going to close this, and I'm going to spray outside. This is going to be quick and easy. You can see how the filth is coming out right away. It wipes everything off. Look at the filth. You just wipe it off. That is awesome. Look at that. See how the filth is coming out? You can see. And then we're just gonna wipe it off. And I just put my sponge in there, and then just the whole outside. And then just put your sponge in here, and then just wipe this off. Look at the transformation. Going so fast and easy. So we wipe this off. Alright, so we wipe this. That is done. Then we just clean this. Just wipe. And that's it. That's for the front. We're just gonna open this. We already spray here. Just gonna wipe that out. Sponge. So now we are moving to the door, and we are just going to wipe that. See? And then once that is wiped, we take our duster, and then we just wipe it. And that it's neat. That it's wiped nicely. And then now we're gonna go inside the microwave. We already spray. We're just gonna go over that. Just wipe. And all that corner, get everything out. See all inside there. And after this, and we just wipe it off. And just so easy. Cleaning your microwave in a simple way. Shouldn't be too hard. This is the easiest way to clean microwave inside and out. Clean your microwave inside. You can see it's done, and then we wipe that off, and that is clean. You can just close this now. Look at how bright and shiny it looks. Now we are going to clean the bottom of this microwave. Just going to spray the bottom. Out of here. Alright, as we spray all over here, so we get everything out. Then I'm just gonna clean it. This is how you deep clean your microwave. Make sure everything is clean. Once that is done, just gonna wipe it off. Now you can see how clean underneath that is. That is amazing. It cleans so neatly and so nice. Alright, now you can see the top of our microwave, how filthy that is. It's unbelievable. So we are going to clean that as well. Look at that. That is so filthy. So I am just going to spray the top there. And we just wipe that up. Look at that. And see how clean it's getting already compared to the first. Do it again. Clean all this side. Oh my wow, look at how clean it looks already. This is deep cleaning microwave. Then once that is done, we just wipe this off. And then look at how neat that is compared to when we first saw it. See that? You can see how clean that compared to before. Look at that. You don't know what you have down here. Now we are going to clean the sides of the microwave. Look at that. You can see once you spray the awesome, you see how the filth is being lifted. Look at that filth. See how it just cleans, and you see the dirt that is coming off right away. So we're just gonna clean that. And once that is done, we just wipe it off, and it just takes a second. It's clean. Look at that. That is in a second. In just a few seconds, you are done cleaning. We're gonna do the other side as well. You're just gonna spray this side too. Look at it. It's just lifting right away. I love Awesome. Awesome is a good cleaning agent that I use. Makes my life so easy in cleaning. See how the filth, you can see how dirty it's lifting there. And then we're just gonna go over it. And then just use that duster, go over it, and cleaning is done. Cleaning both sides of our microwave. And look at that. It's clean all the way through. Perfect. So now we just wipe everything all clean from. We are done. Inside is clean. See, clean it is. And everything is wiped off, neat, clean. So you can see all that, and just that, and that's it. And you are done cleaning your microwave. In this video, I just showed you how to clean microwave, how to deep clean microwave inside and out. We clean both sides. We clean the top of the microwave. We clean the bottom, which is very, very dirty. You wouldn't know what things you have underneath your microwave. So we clean underneath, we clean inside, we clean everything inside, make sure everything is clean, neatly wiped off. We have a clean microwave to use. So I hope this video helps you to clean your microwave. If you want to know how to clean under kitchen sink cabinet, and I hope this video has helped you some way to be able to clean your microwave inside and out. Deep clean it, clean the top, clean both sides, clean underneath, and make sure everything is clean. So when you are making your meals or warming your meals, you will feel confident that your meals are being warmed in a clean microwave. So I hope this video has helped you, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.